हेलो दोस्तों, तो कैसे आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी ठीक होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं करंट अफेयर 2025 एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। उड़े रिसेंटली पार्टनर्ड विथ विच कंपनी टू फैसिलिटेट आधार बेस्ड ई-केवाईसी इन इंडिया? ए जियो, बी स्टारलिंक, सी गूगल, डी Amazon। आंसर ऑप्शन बी स्टारलिंक। Question number 2. Satyapal Malik, the former governor of which state, passed away at the age of 79 in New Delhi? A. Kerala, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Chandigarh, D. Ladakh। Answer option B. Jammu and Kashmir। Question number 3. What is the name of the third ship of the Nilgiri class that was delivered to the Indian Navy? A. Himgiri, B. Lunagiri, C. Taragiri, D. Udagiri। Answer option A. Himgiri। Question number 4. Which locomotive works installed India's first renewable solar panel system on railway tracks? A. Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, B. Banaras Locomotive Works, C. Diesel Locomotive Works Patiala, D. Integral Coach Factory Chennai। Answer option B. Banaras Locomotive Works। Question number 5. Recently, from which state did DRDO successfully test two parallel missiles? A. Karnataka, B. Odisha, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh। Answer option B. Odisha। Question number 6. Where is India's first Make in India 1 megawatt green hydrogen plant being commissioned? A. Deen Dayal Port, B. Paradip Port, C. Cochin International Airport, D. Mundra Port। Answer option A. Deen Dayal Port। Question number 7. Who recently took over as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff of India? A. Krishna Swaminathan, B. Danish K. Tripathi, C. Sanjay Vatasan, D. Sanjay Jasit Singh। Answer option C. Sanjay Vatsavan। Question number 8. Which IIT has recently developed a packing material based on agriculture waste? A. IIT Bombay, B. IIT Kanpur, C. IIT Madras, D. IIT Guwahati। Answer option C. IIT Madras। Question number 9. Which state government has launched the Chief Minister Thayumanawar Yojana? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Jharkhand, D. Tamil Nadu। Answer option D. Tamil Nadu। Question number 10. Who has been appointed as the new head coach of the Indian men's national football team in 2025? A. Stephen Constantine, B. Khalid Jamil, C. Sunil Chhatri, D. Igor Stimac. Answer option B. Khalid Jamil. Question number 11. Which became the third state to launch the Forest and Wildlife Crime Management System (HAWK)? A. Chhattisgarh, B. West Bengal, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer option D. Tamil Nadu. Question number 12. Which state has partnered with an IIT Madras startup for a Hyderloop project? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer option A. Maharashtra. Question number 13. Which state in India became the first to dissolve its Madrasa board and introduce a Minority Educational Institution Act? A. Bihar, B. Rajasthan, C. Uttarakhand, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer option C. Uttarakhand. Question number 14. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Nijut Moina 2.0 scheme to boost girls' higher education? A. Sikkim, B. Assam, C. Manipur, D. Mizoram. Answer option B. Assam. Question number 15. Which country's first homegrown orbital rocket Iris crashed 14 seconds after liftoff in a test flight? A. Australia, B. Egypt, C. Russia, D. China. Answer option A. Australia. Question number 16. Who has recently assumed charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? A. Sandeep Arya, B. P.K. Shrivastava, C. Rajkumar Arora, D. Sanjeev Kaushal. Answer option C. Rajkumar Arora. Question number 17. Where was the first BIMSTEC Traditional Music Festival held in August 2025? A. Kathmandu, Nepal, B. New Delhi, India, C. Thimphu, Bhutan, D. Yangon, Myanmar. Answer option B. New Delhi, India. Question number 18. On which day is Hiroshima Day commemorated? A. 5th of August, B. 6th of August, C. 7th of August, D. 8th of August. Answer option B. 6th of August. Question number 19. Which planet is the target of Russia's planned Venera D mission scheduled for launch between 2034 and 2036? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. Answer option B. Venus. Question number 20. India and China have agreed to resume trade through the Lipu Lake Pass located in which state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Sikkim, डी उत्तराखंड। आंसर ऑप्शन डी उत्तराखंड। Question number 21. Who visited China to attend the 2025 SCO summit? A. Narendra Modi, B. S. Jaishankar, C. Draupadi Murmu, D. Amit Shah. Answer option A. Narendra Modi. Question number 22. Who recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? A. Tanya Sharma, B. Rhea Singha, C. Manika Vishwakarma, D. Mahak Dhingra. Answer option C. Manika Vishwakarma. Question number 23. When was National Space Day 2025 celebrated in India? A. August 23, B. August 25th, C. August 24th, D. August 22nd. Answer option A. August 23. Question number 24. Who has been appointed as the new US ambassador to India by President Donald Trump? A. Sergio Gore, B. Jared Isaacman, C. Eric Garcetti, D. Jorgen K. Andrews. Answer option A. Sergio Gore. Question number 25. Where has PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kartavya Bhavan? A. New Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai, D. Gandhinagar. Answer option A. New Delhi. Question number 26. Who recently won the Best Actor at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? A. Vikrant Massey, B. Shah Rukh Khan, C. Both A and B, D. Mohanlal. Answer option C. Both A and B, that is Vikrant Massey and Shah Rukh Khan. Question number 27. Who visited Tokyo to attend the 15th India-Japan Annual Summit 2025? A. S. Jaishankar, B. Narendra Modi, C. Rajnath Singh, D. Draupadi Murmu. Answer option B. Narendra Modi. Question number 28. Why did ISRO launch the HOPE mission for the Gangayaan program? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Sikkim, D. Ladakh. Answer option D. Ladakh. Question number 29. Which city in China hosted the SCO Summit 2025? A. Beijing, B. Shanghai, C. Guangzhou, D. Tianjin. Answer option D. Tianjin. Question number 30. The 12th edition of the Trilateral Naval Exercise SLINX 2025 was started between the navies of which countries? A. India and Bangladesh, B. India and Sri Lanka, C. India and Maldives, D. India and Myanmar. Answer option B. India and Sri Lanka. Question number 31. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? A. 12th Fail, B. Kathal, C. Jawan, D. The Kerala Story. Answer option A. 12th Fail. Question number 32. Who won the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 2025? A. Mohanlal, B. Mithun Chakraborty, C. Rekha, D. Rajnikant. Answer option A. Mohanlal. Question number 33. Rani Mukherjee won the Best Actress Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025 for which film? A. Mardani 2, B. Black, C. Hichki, D. Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway. Answer option D. Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway. Question number 34. Why did FIFA inaugurate India's first talent academy for women? A. Kolkata, B. Delhi, C. Hyderabad, D. Pune. Answer option C. Hyderabad. Question number 35. Which country launched a project to combat rhino poaching using radioactive isotopes? A. Tanzania, B. Namibia, C. Kenya, D. South Africa. Answer option D. South Africa. Question number 36. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Bihar? A. Amrit Lal Meena, B. Pratyaya Amrit, C. Deepak Kumar, D. S. Siddharth. Answer option B. Pratyaya Amrit. Question number 37. In which state has the Nari Adalat for women been launched? A. Assam, B. Sikkim, C. Kerala, D. Tripura. Answer option B. Sikkim. Question number 38. Which state government has recently banned the cutting of palmyra trees? A. West Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Odisha, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer option C. Odisha. Question number 39. Who has been recently appointed as the Vice President and Chief Risk Officer of the BRICS New Development Bank? A. Harsha Vardhan, B. Varel Acharya, C. Shaktikanta Das, D. Shringla Rajiv Ranjan. Answer option D. Shringla Rajiv Ranjan. Question number 40. Which city hosted the National SC/ST Welfare Conference on August 29th to 30, 2025? A. Patna, B. Bengaluru, C. Bhubaneswar, D. Jaipur. Answer option C. Bhubaneswar. Question number 41. Who became the 15th Vice President of India? A. Muhammad Hamid Ansari, B. Venkaiah Naidu, C. Jagdeep Dhankar, D. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Answer option D. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Question number 42. A rare blue pink gill mushroom has been discovered in the forest of which Indian state? A. Karnataka, B. Assam, C. Kerala, D. Telangana. Answer option D. Telangana. Question number 43. Which Indian city ranked highest in the Global Artificial Intelligence City Index 2025 by Counterpoint Research? A. Delhi, B. Bengaluru, C. Hyderabad, D. Mumbai. Answer option B. Bengaluru. Question number 44. Recently, which state resumed around 7,600 children from exploitative activities under Operation Muskaan 11? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. Telangana. Answer option A. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 45. On which day is the Quit India Movement Day celebrated? A. 2nd of August, B. 3rd of August, C. 8th of August, D. 9th of August. Answer option C. 8th of August. Question number 46. Which state has been highest Unified Payment Interface UPI usage? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Answer option A. Maharashtra. Question number 47. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? A. R. Rajaran, B. K. Sawan, C. S. Unikrishnan Nair, D. S. Somnath. Answer option A. A. Rajarajan. Question number 48. General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of the Army Staff, launched the Agni Shodh Research Cell at which IIT? A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Kharagpur, C. IIT Bombay, D. IIT Bombay. Answer option A. IIT Madras. Question number 49. MS Dhoni has recently partnered with which digital insurance company as a brand ambassador and strategic investor? A. LIC, B. Echo, C. Digit, D. Policy Bazaar. Answer option B. Echo. Question number 50. Why did India's 22nd IIM be established? A. Chennai, B. Guwahati, C. Shillong, D. Imphal. आंसर ऑप्शन बी गुवाहाटी। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आज का वीडियो पसंद है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल में नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।